Yeah, hello. The last time I've got some leaking on this apartment, and the leaking coming from the indoor unit, from this line, not the indoor unit, from the line, the copper line. Okay. What I did, I've cut the copper right here on the bathroom. I cut the copper here, and then I pressurized this copper here to the indoor unit, and this is the other one. I pressurize from here to the top, to the terrace. Okay, and then the leak is coming from the terrace, coming from there. What I did now, I passed the new lines, the copper lines, to the indoor unit. Open only all the pipes coming, and then goes to the roof, the terrace. What I did, I used the D-TEK Select, the detector, the freon detector, to find this leak. Super detector. This is the unit. The copper, it's already there. See, new copper line. Open the floor. Here we have the insulation. This is a protector. This is a hole. And new lines go inside. Super job. Using a super detector, INFICON D-TEK Select. My advice, if you've got some money and choose for a new detector, choose INFICON D-TEK Select. To me, this is the best one. Alright, take care. See you next time.